Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the best Shopify apps for speed optimization to ensure your online store is lightning fast and ready to impress your customers. So let's begin. As we all know, a speedy website is crucial for user experience and conversion rates. Now, before we jump into our top picks for the best Shopify apps for speed optimization, you might want to click the start free trial button here if you haven't done already. Now, if you have created your account here in Shopify, just click on logged in using your credentials. And once you've logged in, you need to go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on apps. And from here, the first app that we are going to explore is called Tiny, which is built for Shopify and SEO speed image optimizer. Now from here you can discover great solutions for the tiniest problems in your store. You have the advanced image reduction. You can slash your page size by optimizing images without sacrificing quality. They also offer an AI powered metadata generation. Use AI to craft SEO friendly product metadata effortlessly, and if you have full control over scripts, you can reduce a third-party upload time and boost by selectively disabling them. Now, if you click on the features here, you can have an excellent image and alt text optimization and valuable SEO meta tags tool right here. You have like a sitemap SEO optimizer and an SEO booster push so that you can have better SEO rankings. Yeah, they also have a smart automation and insightful SEO reports and a one-click process for image SEO resizing, compression, and more, and a broken link detection right here. There's a lot that you can simply take advantage when you use Tiny. Now I'm using Tiny to as one of my tools for my Shopify store, and when you click on the pricing, it's very honest and transparent because from here you can pick the perfect plan. Now users have the option using the app on an average 13 hours per month, and if you wanted to test waters and gauge what your store needs, you might want to go for the beginner, which is $14 per month. You get all these perks and advantage, but I suggest to get the most popular advanced plan, which gives you 5,000 free images per month, an extra optimization price, and you can have an SEO and speed consultation, which is not available on the beginner. Okay, so I suggest you go here, and if you are ready, just go to your Shopify account, look for Tiny SEO image optimize speed. And once you have it, all you're going to do is click to install on your Shopify store. You can get, again, all these perks and benefits. And just a quick reminder that this is their plans. And the 1,000 plus reviews is going to be here to help you make an informed decision. Now, the next app that we have is called Avada. It's basically a powerful tool for automated SEO, image optimizer, and more. Now, this is a user-friendly app that gives you everything you need for better conversions and rankings, including image optimization and a sitemap generator and a structured data that here you can have an image optimization. All right, supercharge your site speed with auto optimize better performance and better SEO. And you have a site speed up, instant page, tailor-made tools to make your pages instant and improve conversion rate, lazy loading, minification, and a script manager. And they have a thing called search appearance optimization, wherein you can harness the power of SEO tailored for results and simplicity. Now, if you wanted to know more, just click on Show Me How. And this is the transparent, but very honest, competitive, flexible pricing plan for your startup. Now, if you wanted to dive more on the one-click speed and score booster and advanced SEO analytics and automated meta title and description plus a broken link detection, you might want to go for the free plan. All the basics for starting a new business. It's free, but you get limitations. Now, I suggest, like my client and my partner, He is using the Pro plan right now. It's ideal for rapidly growing businesses offering advanced loyalty programs. It's $29 per month, but the good thing is, obviously, you have an unlimited page speed up, auto fix SEO issues in case you encounter any problems, unlimited images and alternative meta tags, and lazy loading, which is free for 30 days and you can cancel anytime. Now, if you're interested to store that in your app, all you're gonna do is click on Avada SEO and Image Optimizer, click on it, and it's free to install. But you have to be mindful that additional charges may apply. And when you click on it, the 6,000 plus reviews can help you make an informed decision if this is the app for your store. The next app that we have is called Booster. It's a page speed optimizer wherein if you're looking for a free tool packed with outstanding features, Booster can get the job done. And it's a perfect solution if you want to create the impression that your product pages load instantly, all right? With merchants reporting a 35 to 50% increase in page loading speeds. Now, it's free and there's a one-click page speed optimizer for simplicity. It can help improve page load times even on older mobile devices thanks to the browser preloading technology. It has a 24/7, of course, real live chat support for immediate assistance, and it can improve page load times effortlessly with a no-code installation process. And if you are interested to skyrocket your Shopify sales, go to the store apps, search for Booster Page Speed Optimizer. As you can see, it's here already. And in one click, install that in your store and take advantage of these perks and benefits to help you increase page less than a minute. Built natively for Shopify, fast and online store. And again, you have an access to 24/7 live chat human support for when you have questions or needed hand. And the 1,000 plus reviews, of course, can definitely help you get you an informed decisions if Booster Page Optimizer is the right app for your store. So the next thing that we have is called AMPed, or Accelerated Mobile Pages. Now it's a web component framework to easily create user-first experiences for the web. Now, loaded with amazing features, AMP by Shop Sheriff stands out with its easy setup, seamless Shopify integration, and intuitive page builder. And of course, you have an excellent customization options. Now, from here, you can boost SEO when AMPs get indexed. AMPs, which are mobile optimized pages, load swiftly and pass Google's core web vitals. Now, you can choose from numerous AMP integrations right here. And you can choose from the features like reviews and tabs, and you can get fast, friendly, and reliable customer support from here. Now, if you're interested to get to know more about AMP, go over to your Shopify account. Just type AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages, and from here, click on it if you're ready to install. Basically, this is the pricing plan, which is straightforward. You get free 14-day trial, which is wherein you can cancel anytime. You have an access to infinite AMP products, powerful page builder, multiple themes, suggested products, and a lot more. But if I were you, I'm going to start with the company, which is $29 per month, because it have everything in hobbyist and the free plan, plus an AMP homepage, AMP blogs, customizable AMP URL. It also features a rich article snippets, integrations, and a lot more. And the 500 plus reviews are here to testify that the app might be the best solution for your store. And the last app that we are going to discuss is called Hyperspeed Extreme Page Speed. Now, the first result's gonna be something like this one. Click on it, and from here, Hyperspeed boasts an advanced page speed optimizer that enhances your store's desktop and mobile site loading times to supercharge your SEO. And from here, you can get access to unlimited image compression to stop images from hurting page speed, Automatic monitoring reduces the impact of new apps and images on store speed and make your site as small as possible with JS and CSS minification. And they offer a generous 7-day free trial wherein you can access an unlimited image compression, image lazy load, responsive images, critical CSS lining minification, and smart JS defer. That's for $49 per month, and the 209 reviews will help you make an informed decision. And one of my clients are using hyperspeed extreme page speed, and I asked my client about his feedback when using this app store, and according to him, he has an access to unlimited image compression, the lazy load critical CSS app caching and minification boost your speed, and it decreases the impact of third-party Shopify apps with the app cache speed booster, which helps a lot according to him, and it automatically monitors and optimizes your site. Now, before installing any speed optimization app, it's advisable to back up your store and thoroughly test the app's impact on your website performance. Now, additionally, you can check for updates and ensure that the app is compatible with your theme and installed apps. In terms of that, you might want to go here in your Shopify App Store and type in speed optimization apps. And as you can see, if your store is powered by Shopify, you might want to check the blue icon below, which means an good indicator that the app is built for Shopify, such as this one. To make your life easier, you can weed out all the other apps. Now, if your store is not powered by Shopify, you can say, for example, take some alternatives here. Okay? And always remember to consult the latest reviews and ratings on the Shopify's App Store to get insights into the experiences of other users. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.